Hi, I am a superhero with no name, for I wear many masks. And tonight we're going to look at some of the worst cosplay costumes ever assembled. Okay, well, I don't know who that guy was, but anyway, as he said, yeah, we found them, the worst cosplay costumes ever assembled. So let's get started. Um, Chances of him being back in a flash are slim to oh, yeah, he's on the 30-day the 30-day return policy. Okay, when he leaves, he'll be back within 30 days. If not, I guess you get something for free. Maybe his hat, his mask. I don't know. Gotham doesn't need this. Batman drinking a bat beer. Hey, that's great. That's oh, okay. What's up with the mask and the mustache? Yeah, I love it. He opened Pandora's box of bad cosplay ideas. The hell is that in his hand? Is that like a duster? Swiffer duster. That's great. Or whatever that. What's that? Oh, okay, I have no idea. That one. Words are enough. I mean, that's whatever. Oh, damn. Ooh! Homer Simpson. Damn. What the hell is that on top of his head? And what'd you? How'd you think that's a? How do you think that's a good idea? OMG. Juggernaut is ready for the next Comic Con. Oh, Vey, it's Wolverine's brother-in-law, Professor Menor. What happened? What happened to my claw? This didn't turn out exactly as planned. He's ready to join the Avengers or the Muppets with all that fun fur. He's Captain America Furby. I don't know. What's he supposed to be? Oh, damn, man. If Wolverine moonlighted as Lucha Libre wrestler. Oh, damn. He's got fangs, too. Look out. He's Chewbacca's distant cousin. Cardboard Baka. Cardboard Baka. Oh, cardboard Chewbacca. Oh, damn. Don't go at him with a lighter. You'll set his hair ablaze. Find the nearest chain and choke it, Princess Leia. What the hell? What the hell is that supposed to be? Oh, yeah. He's a wonder, but not a woman. I'd like to wake up. Wake up when it's stand next to your bed. I'm here to save you. Oh, Superman can fly, but he was never this fly. He's a super freak. Construction Paper Man, coming soon to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Construction Paper Man and Cardboard Chewbacca Man. They're teaming up to fight crime. Is that you, Zed? Again, he's serious. He's ready to. What the hell's he got in his hand? He's ready to kick some ass. He's going to scare everybody. He's going to scare everybody away. This Spidey won't be crawling up any walls. Not easily, anyway. He's gonna be taking the elevator to the top floor. Paradise Island might have one heck of a beauty salon. Or excuse me, it must have one heck of a beauty salon. Oh damn! Oh damn! You're killing me. You guys are killing me. Ariel before she got laser hair removal. Ariel, you better get a razor, man. Someone needs to get you that for Christmas, okay? Ay, caramba. Oh, damn, is that Marge? You looking for Homer? He's around here somewhere. Sure to scare you in the daytime or night. It's the god of greenery. What is that? A cup on one side and an axe on the other? No idea what you're trying to do there. We feel a great disturbance in the force. Yeah, I see a great disturbance too. By the power of Grayskull, send him back to the drawing board. He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. Oh damn, man! Even Grayskull can't help you. This Tron costume does not compute. The captain I fell using the provided eye helps. Yeah. No one will recognize you, man. Don't use the eye holes. Just leave them up on top like a pair of sunglasses. Oh yeah. Oh. Mystique is a real beast here. Damn. The guy behind him, man. It's like, oh yeah, this is some footage. I got to get this footage. Oh crap! Damn, did he paint himself that, or is that an actual costume? I don't want to know. That time Chewbacca got El Perquicia, what? Whatever that is, I don't think it's good, Chewbacca. And where'd you get those pants? Are those like suede or something? I don't. The Iceman cometh. Well, he's cool. The Iceman is definitely, he's cool. We're going to need a bigger utility belt. Quick, to the Batmobile, Robin. Holy crap, Batman, you don't fit anymore. If Wolverine were part banana. What the hell? What the hell? Banana? I don't know. I don't know. This one has to remain 150 feet away from playgrounds at all times. Come here, kitties. Want to play with SpongeBob? We doubt he does whatever a spider can. Well, let him have his dream, okay? To infinity and way beyond. Yeah. He's far out there. Far, far out there. This TIE fighter got separated from his convoy. What's on his head? A blow dryer? All hail the mother of plastic dragons. This Ninja Turtle leaves us shell-shocked. That one's he got one of those. He's got a bucket, like a milk crate, on his back for his shell. That's great. That's real creative. The Skeletor is big boned. What happened to your face, man? Already, wee, me a Furby. Damn, a scary Furby. Better just sit this Comic-Con out. Wally. Oh man. Need help? Ask Superman. I'm retired. What? Oh, what the hell, man? It's time to toss the Silver Surfer in the recycle bin. Damn, is that aluminum foil? What the hell? Maybe the Hulk is just too daunting of a cosplay challenge. Oh no. You should have went as the Kool-Aid Man. Oh yeah. If this is Lisa Simpson, we're terrified to see Mr. Burns. They need to find a convention in a galaxy far, far away. Oh, C-3PO and R2-D2. Damn, what the hell? Man, it's scary looking. Oh, loneliness and cheeseburgers are a dangerous mix. It's supposed to be the Hulk? I have no idea. Not the fairest one of all. At all. Darth Hipster is ready for a past blue ribbon. Oh man, oh man. This Leo has a Comic-Con multipass. No comment on the clothing. I can't look at that. He's cardboard in disguise. Optimus Prime bitches. Pika 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 Chump. Fail. Please tell them how to get to Sesame Street fast. Burn Ernie. Oh no. A real American hero. Budweiser. Fighting for your rights in the satin speedo. Oh no no no. There's more to this transformer than meets the eye. Yeah, it's sore to my eyes. Don't fork with Wolverine. Oh, there you go. That's great. Now I would make my own costume, man. Something is fishy about this Aquaman garb. The stark reality is that there is a wide range of cosplay competency. Somewhere James Cameron is weeping under the home tree. The Avatar? Oh my goodness, no, no, no. Tear the ship apart until you found better costumes. Oh, I feel sorry for them. She's not just drawn this way, unfortunately. Oh, damn. Is that an unshaven leg I see? Oh, okay, that's too much for me. Um, Thanks for watching. Yeah, go have nightmares like I'm going to after looking at all those cosplay, costume fails, and I'll see you later.